Hello everyone, I'm Zoe. Today I want to do Chinese painting. Anyway, let's start.
Little bit red.
I start to get a little bit nervous.
Where's the flower?
I think there is something wrong with the paper.
So my flower doesn't look perfect.
Will be fine.
I think this one is. Yeah, I kind of like this one.
You know, the difficulty in Chinese painting is you have to control how much water you will use.
You have to catch it.
How about the first one? I want to make this flower bigger.
Wow. Help me fall. That's really what?
Oh, I want to be one.
I want to give up.
It's too difficult. It'll be surprised. Let's get to it. My brush just drop off. Okay, continue. What is going to calm down? No, I can't. I'm going to. Oh, anyway, I don't know. It means like if there has a lot of rain in the April, then in the May you will see lots of beautiful flowers. I kind of enjoy painting because there's never be right and wrong. You always just like how do you feel about it? You just do whatever you think is the right thing. I don't like rules. This one is beautiful. I have some progress. Feels like you are playing game with water. Sometimes the water is too much, sometimes it's not enough. I hope when I practice for like 30 times, 50 times, I will do that. Okay. I guess it's not so bad. Now let's do some branch. This is too soft. I think this brush might be better for flowers. Branch. This is harder. Sometimes leaves. Not bad, actually. Okay, I finished the branch so far. Maybe we can add some leaves. This color looks nice. The first leaves, leaf. careful.